Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Mavericks channel, right here on YouTube, of course. And I am over here at the beautiful Nashville National Cemetery, and we have this train slowly creeping up on me here, and he's got an all-stop indication here on the signals. But I guess we'll just have to wait it out and see what happens. Happy to be back here this morning on this beautiful February the 3rd, 2025. Haven't been here in a month. You know, the weather and being under the weather and everything else, you know, just hasn't been very pleasant, so. Yeah, he's fixing to bring her to a stop, and hopefully, well, I'm glad he's on the opposite track. That way maybe we won't get any, but yeah, I'm glad to be back. Don't know how often I'll be back, but I'm glad to be back. And so, if we have to make this a short video, I just want to let everybody know that I appreciate you sticking around with me, and glad you're here. And I'm glad to be here today, so yeah. All right. We're going to pause this thing for a little bit and see what is going on, and hopefully we'll get a southbound here. Looks like we got Autoracks. Alright, folks, and if these videos seem a little fuzzy or off or whatever, I left my glasses at home. Yeah, that's never good. Alright. Okay, folks, stand by. We'll see what's going on or what ain't going on.